Dadaan po kayo dito sa Bagong Tuklas. Ang ganda-ganda rito, sir, madam. Punta kayo rito. Bumabay na, uwi na ako.
Yes, hello, what's up mga kabuknoys? So welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Ako si Jason, dating perwisyo, ngayon nagsiservisyo. For sure, medyo na-miss ninyo ako. Sobrang ang tagal natin hindi nagkasama-sama. Ang tagal ko rin hindi nakagawa ng mga videos. So ito ang kauna-unahan kong ride sa taong 2025. At ito rin ang kauna-unahang vlog natin sa taong to. At dahil na-miss ninyo ang Zambales, dadalahin ko kayo sa napakasikat na pasyalan na dinadayo ngayon ng mga turista. Medyo may kalayuan sa lugar namin kaya titiisin ko ang pagod at hirap para masilayan ninyo ang isa sa ipinagmamalaking pasyalan. Kaya ano pang hinihintay ninyo? Let's go!
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got
Uy, lusong. Meron dito ang kanilang area, ang taas ng lusong tapos biglang lubak. So napakadelikado po yun para sa mga bikers po. So sobrang ingat lang po sa mga pupunta. Sobrang ang taas nito. Kakahingal. Sobrang taas. Apa. So ayan po, bago po pumunta sa Bagong Tuklas River, meron daw pong babayaran na 10 pesos. So yan. Para rin po sa mga nangangalaga siguro ng kalikasan. Kaya teka lang po Sige lang. Kuhanan ko lang yung bagong Tuklas River. Dati may magandang arko. Wala na bang arko? Parang wala naman ng tubig yung ilog. Kaya ba yun?
Dito po, sir.
Diretso. Okay. Ano yung mga pesto-pesto na yan? May mga nagtitinda.
Magtitinda po.
Mga magtitinda. May mga makakainan pala dito. Oh, ang galing ni baby, oh. Go. Aha. And finally, narating na rin namin yung lugar na pakay namin. Dito natin masisilayan ang ganda ng lugar. Ang tubig na dumadaloy sa ilog ay malakristal dahil sa sobrang linaw nito. At sa unang dampi ay mapapasigaw ka dahil sa sobrang lamig na tila nilagyan ng yelo. Ang mga cottage ay sobrang mura lang. Ito ay ang pinagtagpi-tagping mga kawayan at ang bubong ay talahib na magiging pananggalang sa tindi ng init ng araw. Ang mga katutubo dito ay sobrang napakabait. Kung kailangan mo na makakain, hindi mo na poproblemahin dahil may mabibilihan na dito. Sino ang makapag-aakala na sa likha ng Diyos ay sobrang napakaganda? Kaya ano pang hinihintay ninyo? Tara na sa bagong Tuklas River. Sulitin ang ganda ng kalikasan. Si Madam, yan. Sila yung mga namamahala dito sa Kawag.
Sa
Yan.
bagong Tuklas.
Bagong Tuklas River. Yan. Magkano yung pasalbabida?
Ay, isang daan yan, sir, kasi malaki.
100? Okay lang, maganda yung...
Baba ka, sir!
You were like a ransom note. If I give in, will you come home? I put everything I had into getting you back. I was only 17, and you were the air I breathed. I walked across the burning bridge for you, for you. Those roads we walked, I'll know forever. Those times we talked, I still remember. Is it not enough that I paid with my heart once, twice? If I'm blind to who you are, which of us was behind bars? Were you worth the price I paid? Your ransom. I tried to find a way to justify missing the signs I knew. My hands were tied the moment we met, and there was more to you. You were only 17, and I was your sick release, a hostage on a silver plate to you, to you. Those roads we walked, I'll know forever. Those times we talked, I still remember. Is it not enough that I
welcome po kayo rito sa Bagong Tuklas.
Sige sir, invite nyo pa yung mga ano po. Ayan.
Welcome po kayo dito sa Bagong Tuklas. Ang ganda-ganda rito, sir, madam. Punta kayo rito. Bumabay na, uwi na ako.
Sige po.
Words have been said, but the rule in my head again. I shut up and stare. My life starts like rolling, but my mind's like a preset. It's not a secret. Yeah, I just wanna say I've been in a different way, and I don't want you to make the same mistake, because you own yourself and I own myself. You're all the best, and this comes right from the shit inside of my chest, because you own yourself and I own myself. So much, so much, because I own myself. I'll care for myself and do best for my health. Yes, slowly I'm crawling through hell. I can't stay alone forever. I gotta dream myself better. This anxiety inside of me has been there for way too long. When the curtains run, I'm contemplating the still dawn, and I believe everyone's deserves to be happy. And now I'm feeling strong while I'm standing here singing the song, and I believe I own myself. I own myself in a different way, and I don't want you to make the same mistake, because you own yourself and I own myself. You're all the best, and this comes right from the shit inside of my chest, because you own yourself and I own myself. So much, so much, because I own myself. So much, so
Preparation po ng pag-uwi namin. Memories namin dito sa Subic, Zambales. So dito kami dumaan kasi sa Club Morocco. Grabe yung ahon. Sobra. Disgrasya pa yung namin kasama. Si Jean. Kaya Jean, pag ka nagbabike, todo ingat. Always laging ingat. Ayan. Si Jude and si Jean. Ang gwapong si Jean. Gwapo oh. Memories namin. So nagkakilala-kilala lang kami dito sa grabe yung isa na namang memories ang aming napuntahan at bagong lugar na naman ang ating natuklasan. Mga bagong kaibigan ang ating nakasama at nakilala. Dito na po nagtatapos ang ating video. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Kita-kita tayong ulit sa mga bago nating adventure. Muli ako po si Jason Morales Joben. Ingat palagi and stay safe. Tara na!